because he has been very successful, especially in the last movie, Silence of the Prey. How is it going?
Good, thank you. Thank you for having me.
How is going the Cannes and New York Film Festivals and everything?
Oh my goodness. Very good. We just won the best horror film in Cannes, New York. We got nominated for a few awards, and it's been a fun ride. It's been very, very fun.
Okay.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. I wanted to ask you, how did you start acting?
That's a funny story. I was always around artists. I was never an artist myself. I was always around the arts, born and raised in New York. I was around many actors, many singers, songwriters. I even have a cousin now. She's on tour in China. She's a really good singer. And now, growing up, I didn't really think of the arts. I have two brothers who are lawyers, attorneys, and I was going down that path. I studied pre-law in college, and I was working at a law firm downtown Manhattan. And a friend of mine, an artist, a friend, he was doing a one-man show. He asked me to attend, and his manager liked my look, liked my voice, and he said, please go to this audition. I have this thing, I think you'd be good for it.
Okay.
I was a little nervous, I was a little unsettled, but then I said, why not? I'll give it a shot.
Yeah, that's right.
And I went to this audition. I had no idea what I was doing, and he called me. He said, good news or bad news? I said, give me the bad news. You didn't get the part. I said, okay. He goes, they don't want you for that bad guy. They want you for the main bad guy.
Oh, that's much better.
And yeah, and then 1 month after that, I booked a commercial, a national commercial that paid my whole year's salary from what I was making at the law firm. And my boss, a lot of people at the law firm, they just gave me advice. They said, you should pursue it, run with it, why not? You know, and here I am, you know,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, 15, 18 years into it now. I've been doing this, and I'm loving it. It's the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Oh, wow. Well, I have watched your work in films, but I don't know how you work on TV or
Yeah, I started in
theater.
TV. Yeah,
something
I've done
different.
theater. I've done New York theater. I've done some off-Broadway. I've done La Mama Theater, which is a very big theater in New York City. I've done New York Theater Group. I've done tons of TV shows. I've done Homeland. I've done Law and Order. I've done all these New York City-based
Oh,
shows. Yeah. I've done a few of those.
I have to look for your chapter.
Yeah, it's been
Were
fun.
you a police officer or?
Different. I played police officer.
Victim.
I played
Witness.
criminal. I played
Okay.
lawyer. I played.
Oh,
it all.
the lawyer, of course. Oh, okay. And how do you prepare yourself before start filming?
It varies on the. How would you say? It depends on the character. It depends on the script. I
Yeah.
usually have this discussion with the director, and you know, if it's a dark character, I tend to be more seclusive, more to myself. If it's a happy-go-lucky,
More isolated?
yeah, I would be more isolated. But if it's something who's more social, I tend to be more with the cast and want to read and talk to people more, ask more questions. It's just I prepare differently for every role.
Uh-huh.
They're not all the same. They're all different, and I recommend to do different things. And then you see what works, what doesn't work, and the director will, that's why they're there, they'll tell you, hey, try it this way or try it that way. But I always go in with, I make my own choices per the script, per the
Okay.
character.
Nice. So you communicate with the director and the
Absolutely,
writers about
yes,
how
absolutely.
to
I always have questions.
That's good because some people they say this is the way that I work and that's it.
No,
And
not me.
That's who I am, and I, you know,
No.
and I sell movies because it's me. So I
No,
like
I
that
didn't,
because you are humble.
Thank you.
Even you are a success, but you are humble.
Thank you very much.
So that's good that you like to be involved with the cast and
Absolutely.
the groups.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you on that. Have you participated in commercials? Do you remember? the
I've
first
done a
one?
few commercials. Yes, I've done a few commercials. My second job was a national commercial for like cholesterol, heart, something medical. I've done car commercials. I've done voiceovers as well. I've done some voice. Yeah, commercials are good. They're very quick. They pay very well in the U.S. and I recommend them to every actor.
Any
Absolutely.
toothpaste or soda?
No, no,
Yeah,
no.
when we
I
start-
did more cars, more voiceover, medical,
Like Joy in
pharmaceutical.
in the Friends sitcom.
No, I didn't. No, no, no.
No, like
No, no.
going to a spa for the nails. No, right?
No.
Have you been in Latin America?
Yes.
Before then?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, yeah. I love it. I love it. It's a beautiful place to shoot. I mean, the talent is there. Latin America has everything. I mean, the culture, the crews work very well. A lot of TV shows are now shooting in Latin America. A friend of mine just came from Colombia. He shot a TV show, I think, in Bogota. Another buddy of mine was in La Ciudad. He actually invited me to Mexico City
Mexico
for
City.
a premiere. One of his movies is premiering in September, so I'll be Septiembre o agosto, no estoy seguro. Oh, I'm sorry. I think August. August is a premiere in Mexico City. I'll be.
Okay.
Yeah, so I love Latin.
That's nice. How was the food?
Amazing.
What do you like the most?
I love everything. Rice, beans, meat, the spices, everything. I mean, my mother's from Latin America, so I love everything.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Well, after a film comes the promotion, and after the promotion, the festivals,
Yes.
and then you can take a rest. And what do you like? How do you spend your free time, or
Well,
what are your hobbies?
I don't think I have any free time now because I am an actor and a producer. So, as an actor, if I'm just acting in a project, once I'm filming, I'm done.
Then you
when
start producing.
Then producing is different. I'm married to the film at least 1 year. I have to finish. I don't do the editing, but I'm with the editors. I'm with the marketing team, with the PR team, traveling. So it depends. Now I'm doing both. I usually, handle a lot of my production company with partners. So not a lot of free time in between.
Wow. And also, I would like to ask you, do you have like a specific kind of movie that you like any genre?
I like drama. I like thrillers. I love action. I do love action movies.
What's
Of
your
course,
favorite one?
I would say between drama, thriller, and romantic films. I like romantic films.
Or mixed?
Or mixed, yeah.
Why well, any actor has been rejected, and I don't think you are the exception. Or
No,
maybe yes.
No, 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 no. Everybody in our business, rejection is part of the job. I mean, for every yes you get 1,000 no's. So you do have to deal with rejection daily because there's so many people. You audition, and there's thousands of people auditioning for that same role, and you do have to deal with rejection. Yes, absolutely. I've done it. I've dealt with it, and it's a process on how we operate.
That's good. Thank you. Is there any extra advice? Like, can you give us like 3 advices for the new actors? Or
Absolutely.
Students.
Absolutely. Let's start with rejection, right? Toss it out the door. You're gonna get rejected. Everybody does. It doesn't matter who you are. It's not you. It's a very, very. It's a. It's a process. It's a process, right? It's the director, the producers. There's so many people who pick you, and it's all subjective. So I would say, how I would read something, and then I leave and I throw out my sides. I don't want to think about it. I got the job, I did it, and I move on to the next audition or next job. Be prepared. Read a lot. Study music. Play an instrument. All of this helps. All of this helps you with acting, later on is huge. I think it's very important. Um, just not studying, Shakespeare and theater. I think open your horizons. Go to concerts. Go to movies. Be social with your actors. Create with your fellow actors. Create a short film. Today you can film a film on an iPhone. You can do many things to create work and get yourself out there. And thirdly, keep your head up. You have to be confident. It's a lot of pitfalls in this business, but if you're consistent and you work hard and you move, you will find a way. You will find a way. Hey, I did. I found my niche.
Trust in yourself.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
There is something else that you told me, like be yourself.
Yes.
And like train yourself in different emotions.
Absolutely, it's important. There's only one you, right? There's only one me. There's only one of you. That's very important to because there's nothing better than a director, a producer seeing you and like, okay, cool, this is who I envision, and this is very important. As a thespian, as an actor, you walk in and you feel like, okay, cool, this is who I am. You accept me as I am.
Is there any dream that you have, like you want to write a film or
I'm not a writer.
record something, maybe you went to a different country and you were catched by the culture and you want
Yes.
to tell a story, something like that.
Absolutely. A few years ago, I went to a conference, a TV conference, and I remember discussing with a few people about telling a story of the old Latin American, the Mayans, the Aztecs, before the Europeans came. We always talk about the European perspective, but what about them hundreds of years before any Europeans set foot on, even the Vikings came here. I'm not here.
I didn't know that story.
Yeah.
And I'm Mexican.
It's absolutely true.
I have to get a ticket.
Yeah. But I would like to tell that story. I think it's great. The fact that Latin America, Central America, South America, they have one of the most beautiful sceneries, locations. I think it's a dream come true for any actor to go there, filmmaker to film there. I think that would be mine.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So you were living in Los Angeles before, and then you came to New York.
Yes.
Why the change?
Well, I'm
Why
originally
not?
from New York, and I moved to Los
Oh,
Angeles.
You came back to house.
And then I came back home. Unfortunately, COVID happened. I really liked LA. LA is a very beautiful place. Unfortunately, it got a little rough after COVID, and I have family here. My mother lives in New York. I have an older brother here, and I just felt like I had to come back home, be around family. I still go to LA. I'm bi-coastal. I go there a lot.
With your friends.
Friends, associates, producers, distributors, everything across the board. So LA is a necessity. Yes, for me, I have to go there. I have to have a presence there.
Okay. How do you enjoy being a producer?
I love it. It's amazing. It's a different creative process, but it's still a process. It's still being creative. I work now with writers personally, directors, other actors in a different perspective. We have to do budgets, financing, packaging. It's a totally different art form, but it's an amazing art form. It's gratifying. It's actually really cool to put something together, to put actors, directors, producers, and somebody else's vision to the screen. It's an amazing process.
If you can go anywhere, any place in the world that you can choose, and you can say 3 things or 3 persons, which ones or who ones will be?
Oh my God, great question, right? I would love to have in any time, in any alive. Maybe go back to Rome during the golden era. Nelson Mandela. I would have loved to sit down with him. and maybe, thinking of it, Latin America during the Aztecs and Mayans, that would be a great to visually see that how they built those things. Incredible, amazing,
Interesting.
interesting.
Now
Yes.
you have a different story. What has been the most difficult part of being actor and producer?
The most difficult.
It's not like you're complaining, but like something that is hard.
Hard.
Not like
I think everything is hard, right? If it's not hard, it's not worth it, right? So.
You have the positive and the
Yeah.
hard. It's hard. That's it.
I'm very fortunate. I've been very lucky with what I do. I love what I do. I would say the most difficult thing is waiting as an actor, right? You're waiting for a job, you're waiting for a gig, it's a waiting game as an actor. As a producer, it's also a waiting game, but it's longer. It says the norm,
The budget or not
the budget,
the budget.
getting the money for the budget,
the promotion.
everything across the board. But the most difficult thing is finding the right story to tell, right? There's so many, but at the end of the day, it's a good story. People want to hear it, I think that's the goal, the challenge, is finding something that, people would really enjoy.
Well, thank you so much for being with us. I
Thank
wish
you.
you all the success
Thank
for your
you.
movie, and you have another movie coming.
I'm working on 2 films right now. Working on 2 feature films, shooting in Europe, and let's see. I will be in Mexico City in August, so I have some things cooking in Mexico that I hope come to fruition. So,
Cool.
yeah.
You are very welcome in Mexico.
Oh, I look forward to it.
And also, where we can watch your film,
Right.
Silence of the Prey.
You can watch Silence of the Prey right now on Amazon, on YouTube, on Google Plus,